In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable timeline in DaVinci Resolve. If you need to temporarily turn off a timeline without deleting it, DaVinci Resolve makes that very simple. This is useful when you want to keep a timeline in your project for later, but you do not want it to be active or available in the same way as your other timelines. It can help you stay organized, especially when you are working on multiple edits, alternate versions, or older drafts that you are not using right now. To begin, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the area where your timelines are listed. Make sure you can clearly see the timeline you want to disable. This is important because you want to apply the action to the correct timeline and avoid changing the wrong one by mistake. Once you find the timeline, click on it first to select it. This confirms which timeline you are working with. After that, right-click directly on the selected timeline to open the context menu. This menu contains several options related to managing that timeline, so take a moment to make sure you are looking at the right list. From that menu, choose the option labeled Disable Timeline. As soon as you click it, DaVinci Resolve will disable that timeline for you. The timeline will still remain in your project, but it will no longer function as an active timeline in the same way. This is a good option when you want to keep your project clean without permanently removing anything. A helpful tip here is to double-check the timeline name before you disable it, especially if you have several timelines with similar names. That can save you time and confusion later. Also remember that disabling a timeline is different from deleting it, so this is a safer choice when you are not completely sure whether you might need that timeline again. And that's all you need to do. Just go to your timeline, click to select it, right-click it, and choose Disable Timeline. It only takes a few seconds, and it is a simple way to manage your project more efficiently inside DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly disable a timeline in DaVinci Resolve.